Hi, and welcome to Microsoft Dynamics 365 system demonstration. Today I'm going to show you security reports by AXPulse Consulting. Security reports are developed for companies who wishes to provide details to auditors as well as IT and system analysts. These reports provide access to all the roles, duties, and privileges associated with an individual as well as a group of individuals. Let me take you through all the reports. To begin with, after the deployment of security reports, you'll be able to see three of the major reports in our system administration module. If you notice, there are three major reports listed over here. The first one is user security report. The second one is security policy report. The third one is security object report. Let's start with user security report. After clicking user security report, there will be a pop-up or the parameter form in front of you where you will select the user associate for user you want to see, and if there is any role associated with that user and specific to role you want to search for, then you have to select any one of the role, or I'll leave it blank for the demonstration. I want to see all the user roles together. The third parameter is a status parameter. Either I want to see all the active users or inactive, or maybe all the users. Let's keep it to the active users. I press OK. Now this report shows that Alicia is associated with budget clerk role. Budget clerk role is associated with all or provided privileges to access all the companies, and all the privileges and duties associated with budget clerk role is right over here. Now I can see that Alicia can inquire into budget control policies. Moving to page 2, I can see that Alicia has been provided as an employee role as well, which provides access to submit changes to positions of trust. When I move to the last session, I can see last page, I can see that Alicia is provided purchasing agent as well, and being able to submit user requests. This way I can see that this user, Alicia, is associated with many different roles along with many companies. Either if specific to one company, I'll be able to see it as USMF over here, or any other company. Moving towards my second report, that is the security policy report. Before running the security policy report, it is essential that we run the update XDS data. Update XDS data is a batch job that allows system to generate the data or call off all the data associated with those records that been associated over here in security policy report. This gathers the data from different tables and different data sources and gathers and collects it in a single table, which is then used in order to generate the security policy report. Let's start with security policy report. After clicking security policy report, the system will allow me to provide few of the details, like system requires the security role for which you need to run the report. I'll take it an example of vendor admin external. I selected the vendor admin external or the role associated with that role, and the second parameter is either I want to see the display constraints table or not. Let's keep it as yes for now. Is there policy enabled or not? I want to see all the policy enabled in that report. And refresh tables, let's keep it to yes. Okay. Now I can see that vendor contract external admin role is associated with these three policies. And for each policy, I can see the constraint table associated with it, like the one I selected right over here, the cat external category vendor. This is a table which is associate, which is there's a constraint of this table on this policy when profile account, which is directly related to my role when vendor contract external admin. Okay, moving towards my third and last report, that is my user security object report, my security object report. System administration, security object report. Here it is. After clicking security object report, it asks you the role. Let me select AXP bomb production admin. I've selected this one and pressed OK. In this report, the system will generate the role along with the duties and privileges associated with that role. See, now it's clearly visible that the role that I have selected, AX bomb production admin, this report is all about AX bomb production admin along with the sub role associated with that role and the duty. Now there's a duty that if a user is associated with this or assigned with this role, he can now approve the budget plans, and the privileges he have can easily be seen over here. That he can delete asset budget model now, he can maintain bomb lines, or do many of the stuff that's being reported over here. Moving towards my page 2, page 3, let's take it to the last page. Now I can see that budget clerk is also, or the AX bomb admin, product admin is also associated with another duty called view service code. And through this duty, he can now work on financial dimension set entity view, or he can maintain products as well. So now if a consultant or if an auditor asks you about what these role is all about and what privileges does these roles gives to an individual, now this report is something that comes in handy. So in conclusion, you'll be able to get all these 3 powerful reports in Dynamics 365 by deploying security reports by AXPulse Consulting. This is for you for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.